बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पहला क्वेश्चन है, फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट। ऑप्शन बी माइक्रोवेव्स। बाकी सारी केबल्स हैं, माइक्रोवेव्स इसमें केबल नहीं है, तो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, टू हैव योर मैक्रो अवेलेबल टू ऑल न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट्स यू क्रिएट स्टोर इट इन। द ऑप्शन सी द नॉर्मल टेम्पलेट इज करेक्ट। टू मूव टू द प्रीवियस सेल इन अ टेबल इंसर्टेड इन अ डॉक्यूमेंट प्रेस। आपने शिफ्ट प्लस टैब प्रेस करनी है, तो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। To get step-by-step instructions as you go through the Word email merge process, use the option A. A template is correct. A dash is a major database object used to display information in a printable page format. The option C. Report is correct. The percentage increase in the area of a rectangle if each of its sides is increased by 20%. The option C. 44%. When inserting a graphic into a worksheet, you could go to cell A1 by pressing the option B. Control plus Home key is correct. To be compatible with previous versions of Microsoft Word, a Word 2013 document should be saved with this extension. The option B. Doc doc is correct. Which option displays fill color in alternate rows in an Excel table? The option A. Banded rows. What function displays row data in a column or column data in a row? The option C. Transpose is correct. When typing characters search criteria, Excel matches fields based on the option A. Alphabetical order. When you insert a picture into a document, the default text wrapping option is the option A. Line with text. The most common types of storage devices are the option A. Magnetic is correct. What category of functions is used in this formula? The option B, financial is correct. A financial formula. Which is the largest fraction? The option C, 7 by 8 is correct. Each sector on a hard drive stores bytes of data. The option B, 512 is correct. What does an I-beam facilities? The option A, locating text. An unauthorized user is a network issue. The option A, performance is correct. Which of the following is not a major reason for an email bounce? The option C, stale file handle. When you insert a comment in a document, the comment appears in the option C, balloon. Which function automatically totals a column per row of values? The option C, sum. The information inside your table needs to be sorted alphabetically. To do this, you go to the option D, table tools layout. What is the missing number? 149-25. The option B, 16. Why might you hide worksheet in a workbook? The option C, some data is private. The option D is correct. User developed instructions for Excel are called. The option B, macros. What term describes a picture that has been resized by a percentage? The option D, squared is correct. How can words be separated in a range name? The option C, with a period. A word template stores common document. The option B, structures. In which view does a page break appears as a block dashed line on the screen? The option A, normal. The synonym of commence. The option B, to begin. Find the odd one out. The option B, cucumber. If the code for Java is LCXC, what is the code for BASIC? The option B, DCUKE. For what can you use Outlook tasks? The option D, manage to do items. What do while is an loop? The option B, exit control loop. What should follow the sheet name in a 3D formula? The option D, exclamation point is correct. Excel would evaluate the formula and return this answer. The option C, 320. What do you see if you have the mouse over a chart object? The option B, screen tip. Protecting a worksheet means. The option D, lock cells in the worksheet so that a user cannot inadvertently change them. Which of the following is reliable communication? The option A, TCP. What term describes shaped text? The option C, word art is correct. Which of the following will determine your choice of system software for your computer? The option A is correct. Is the application software you want to use compatible with it? Before you create labels such as name tags, specify the size by selecting. The option A, label options is must be selecting first.